Evet Fikret Hocam.
Bize gelen misafirlerimizle beraber bugün Ebru çalışması yapacağız. Boyalarımız, gül dalı fırçalarımız ve at saçı, pigment boyalarımız. Önce bir serpme battal atalım.
In English please Ayşe Hanım. What we are going to do?
Right now, we are putting in the first background to the Ebru, and the name of this style is called battal. We're starting with the first color, and we will move on to the next three. Now this is the first design that we have. Its name is battal. The second we're going to do is called gall, and we start with the tool. We dip it 1 centimeter into the surface, and we start pulling back and forth. Now we take this tool, it's called the tarak, and we're also going to dip it 1 centimeter into the surface and drag. From here, we grab our paper. We grip a corner and slowly we put it into the tank. We control, make sure there's no air bubbles. If there are air bubbles, it will affect the quality of the piece. Using our tool, we lift a corner, slightly flip, grab the other corner, and slowly drag out. And there you have it.
Bravo, bravo.
Now we take our piece to make sure it dries safely.
Bravo, bravo. Could you give us little information about the material, what we use, how we use?
Yes.
And there are some photos also here.
Yes. So this right here is the tank where we keep the liquid. The liquid is water mixed in with a special ingredient. It is an ingredient from the sea. In Turkish it's called deniz kadayıfı, but it's a plant from the sea that allows the viscosity of the liquid to thicken. The change in viscosity is what keeps the paint on the surface, rather than if it was normal water, it would just sink to the bottom. We have different paints here. These paints are highly pigmented, which we mix with a material called oud, and that again affects the porosity and the viscosity. It allows the paint to stay on top of the water base that we set. Here we have brushes of the arts. This is what we use to put the paint on the water. This is typically made with the branch of a rose plant, as well as horsehair that is binded together. This tool right here is what I was holding earlier. This is used to create designs, and in Turkish it's called a piece. Last but not least, the last tool that I used. This is called a tarak. In English it just means comb, and it's also used for traditional techniques for the art.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much Fikret hocam. Charlie. Charlie Sean. Ezgi abla. Charlie. Charlie. Charlie Sean. Charlie Şkom. Hı?